Hi, this is Jennifer, Simply Nappy. I wanted to do my curl box, what I got in my curl box, but I went ahead and opened it and used the products. It's the products from Cream of Nature, and it comes with, in the box, it comes with a coupon for Cream of Nature products. And I didn't use the coupon. I brought some more items, but I didn't have this with me. So next time I buy something, I'll use the coupon. It comes with a book showing what the items are, what the items are for. And what I got in the curl box was Cream of Nature coconut milk for naturals, shine and hold control glue. And it has no sulfates, mineral oil, or petroleum. And I think these are all new because when I went to Walmart, I didn't find these products. So I ended up buying the Cream of Nature Pure Honey. But I did watch somebody's video and they said they'll be coming out on the shelves in a couple weeks. And then I got the Cream of Nature Coconut Milk Curl Repair Leave-In. And this is like really kind of thick. I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of creamy and kind of thick for a leave-in. I did try these products yesterday. And then I got the Cream of Nature Coconut Milk for Naturals Moisture Curl Hair Milk. I don't know if I gave you a good look at the other products. And then I got the Cream of Nature Coconut Milk Natural Hair Essential 7 Treatment Oil. And I did the the leave-in, the oil, the milk, then I put the oil on again. And I was so surprised when I woke up this morning, my hair, I was like, I had second day hair. And with my 4C hair, usually when I wake up, it's all smashed down and it's like I have to go through re-moisturizing all over again because I spray my water to kind of get it off my scalp because my hair is, the shrinkage is, it's so, the shrinkage and then it's so dry. But when I use these products, my hair was already moisturized. It's like it allowed me to have second day hair. So I'll probably be doing another video to tell you how long this moisture stayed in my hair. And my hair just feels soft and moisturized. And so I went to Walmart to get some more of the coconut milk products. They didn't have those. So they had the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Moisturizing Dry Defense Shampoo for dry, dehydrated hair. No sulfates, mineral oil, silicone. So this is the shampoo. They had the conditioner, but conditioners usually don't do anything for my hair. So I got the Pure Natural, the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Moisture Replenishing Strength Hair Mask. No sulfates or mineral oil. And let me see. Provides essential moisture, softness, smoothness where the hair needs to be without weighing it down. And this is the hair mask. I don't know if I showed you the other one. And this is the shampoo. Because I like Cream of Nature shampoos. I used to, when I was relaxed, I used the Argan Strength and Shine shampoo. But I haven't been using that one because I think that has bad ingredients in it. And since these ones say sulfate free, and I think that one has Dimexicone. I don't know if that one has Dimexicone in it, but a lot of the products have Dimexicone in it and stuff, and bad ingredients. So I haven't been using that one. But this one looks like the other Cream of Nature shampoo, so I'm excited to try it out. Yeah, I was excited. The curl kit is $20 and $5 for shipping. They did give me a coupon code, but I didn't write it down because I don't want to be selling things on my channel, because I think anybody can go there and get it for $20 and $20 and $5 shipping. You know, you can go to another YouTuber that's getting something out of it, you know, selling it for the company. But I just brought this with my own money, and I got a link from a YouTuber that was selling it, I guess, and went there. But I brought this with my own money, so I didn't feel like I should be given a coupon code or anything like that. But a lot of, if you just put Curl Kit in the YouTube search engine, you'll see a lot of YouTubers that are recently given the coupon codes. But I was happy with it, because you get full-size products, and I want to see what I get next month. I mean, with the moisture that I got to my hair, and it's all soft, and it didn't change my naps or anything, so I'm happy with it. And I'm next wash day, I'm gonna try these two products together, the shampoo, the deep conditioner, and but I'll be happy when I get the whole product line of the coconut milk. I'll be happy when I get that whole product line. Well, comment, rate, and subscribe.